Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to remove hair from my head in Photoshop very easily. Please follow my video step by step. First of all, open your image. Okay, then click this left settle. Right click on your mouse. Click left settles. Then click and drag it. Okay. Press Ctrl Z. Press Ctrl T. Use eraser tool. Opacity 50% or resize or this resize. Use the pen tool. Click pen tool. Right click on your mouse. Click pen tool. Select path. Then click. Hold Alt R. Click for remove selections. Oh, sorry, remove path. Hold Alt R. Okay. Create clipping mask. Then hold Control. Select another layer. Right click on your mouse. Convert to smart object. Again, right click on your mouse. Convert to smart object. Then select the quick selection tool. Click and drag it. Hold Alt R or click this minus selections. Refine its smooth. Click drop down menu, select layer mask, click OK. Now we can see this. Now we can see this remove hair from my head. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.